Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkys Barrios, and today I'm going to be sharing what do my workout split for 3 days. I've been having a very busy week, so I decided to work out 3 times per week, and will be my workout structure. I hope you like. At the time that I record this video, it was Monday, and normally Mondays I do Zumba. I am a Zumba instructor, so I combine my cardio Zumba with my waist training. I first go there and then I go to the gym. And in this workout session, I'm trying to just target my upper body. As you can see, I'm just because I already have some intensity before going to workout. My goal is not to go so heavy, just probably just increase repetitions, 3 sets of 15 reps with very low weight, trying to maintain a very good form through all the movement and just to not take it so hard. This workout session is very mild. Also, for the session between sets, I rest around 90 seconds because I didn't have also too much time to stay in the gym. I'm starting with a bench press. Another alternative can be dumbbell press. If you don't have a bench press in the gym, for this one, 3 sets, 15 reps, and very not so much heavy. Don't go crazy with the weight in this workout session. Now, do I recommend you to go to do a very intensive cardio, like group session before your waist training? No, I really don't recommend that. I always recommend do a warm up 5 minutes maximum. It's fine. Warm up the especially the part of the body that you're going to be working out that day, and after your waist training, your strength training, then you can go through the do intensive cardio, but don't do as I did it, okay? Because it will be so challenging, and I really don't recommend you if you're a beginner, or if you really don't you don't have the fitness level. So if you have any intense cardio session, it's much better to do it after your strength training, if you're going to lift weight. Okay, if you're just going to do intensity cardio, just stay with it and don't go to do some weight. Okay, so be careful with that because your body may not handle it and you really will be very sore. In my case, I'm already used to it, so that's why I do it, and it's my job, so I don't have no option. But in this session, I'm doing shoulder press. I'm doing 3 sets, 12 15 reps or 12 reps, I think so. And between sets, I'm just resting 90 seconds. Now, you probably will say, but you go to gym and you work so much and you still have fat. Yes, I still have fat in my body. I'm not trying to be a fitness model. I'm not trying to imitate nobody's body. I just trying to become the best version of myself. And yes, I have a belly. And yes, it will be there. I mean, I I do my best. And I think that's the reason why women have so much insecurity when it comes to their body, how it looks in the gym. My lovely women, don't give a damn how you look at the gym. Just go there, mentalize to do your workout session, and ignore the rest of the world. Okay? Be sure that no one cares about you when you're in the gym. Everybody's just focused on their thing. And don't put yourself down because you don't have the body that they expect because you should have. So leave that aside, and just for all my ladies, be aware that you're perfect how you are. You just need to embrace it and just create the best version of yourself every day. But I wanted to say this because I probably will have some comments regarding my physical act, but it's fine. I put myself out there. So now I'm doing back. Before I just used to do the lateral raise. I did it with the cable machine. You can do it with a dumbbell. I'm doing the back workout and close grip pull down. This is one of my favorite workouts. This is 15 reps, moderate weight, and between sets, 90 seconds as well. The purpose of this video is to show you just the fact that it's possible to work out when you have a busy schedule. You just need to be very realistic with yourself and really commit for some days in the week. You don't need to work out 5 days in a row if you don't have the time for it. Just try to incorporate 3 days in the week, a workout session from 30 to 45 minutes, and you'll be fine if your goal is to be healthy. Of course, this will depend on the goal that you want to, but this is my recommendation if you are looking just to get healthy in general. So just came home from gym. I went buy some small things for lunch today. And as you see, I just did a little bit of upper body. I focus on the back, shoulders, a little bit of the chest. And to be honest with you, today I really feel down. Probably it's because I am in my period, so my energy is not in place. It's all over the place, but at least I accomplished to do my workout session. I was just trying to focus to really just three sets, increase the repetitions to 15 reps, but with the minimum weight, not go so hard. But at least I'm fine with it. It took me around 30, 40 minutes. 40 minutes, I think, is to do my workout session. 4 exercise, very basic ones. And also the repetition 15 minutes in between set. I try to rest minimum as possible. So yes, that was my workout session for today. So let's see us again tomorrow. Today is Tuesday and I will be working the lower body, and I'm starting this exercise routine with a stretch exercise. I've been having a lot of issues with the tightness of my hips. They get so tight because I move a lot and sometimes I forgot to do stretch. So I started to incorporate some stress and mobility exercise into my workout sessions and also in my rest days so I can really release my hips. And after this, I went straight away with my favorite love and hate relationship that I have with this exercise, that is the hip thrust. Normally, when I'm working out for 3 times per week, my main focus is normally my lower body, and I trying to build my glutes, hamstrings, and quads. So what I normally do is, like, if I have 3 days split, one day I do upper body, and then the second day I do lower body, focusing on quads and glutes, and the third day I do quads, hamstrings, glutes, and some upper body, full body workout basically. And that's the way how I split it. For this occasion, I'm trying to go a little bit more heavy, so I increase the weight by reduce the reps. 12 reps, 3 sets to 4 sets, with increasing the weight as maximum as I can without compromising my form. So this is the hip thrust for all of you. Now that we're talking about the hip thrust, I would like to share one common mistake that I see a lot of women doing in the gym, is that they really put a lot of weight and their form is not so good. So my recommendation, if you don't have a solid form, if you cannot control the movement and the momentum of the movement, you really don't need to put or add so much weight into that bar if you cannot handle it. And really, by adding so much weight, you're increasing your risk of injury, and you're not really doing what the exercise should do, that is work your glutes. So really be careful, be aware that if you cannot manage the weight, reduce it, and really focus on building a very good base on how to do that exercise. Now, I was doing the hat squat, but somehow I didn't feel it, so I changed to do sumo squat. I do it sumo squat with 2 dumbbells, different sizes. I start with 15 with the lowest weight, 15 repetitions, and then I grab the other dumbbell that you will see it soon, the heavier one, and do 12 repetitions. And I did 3 sets of those ones between repetition from one dumbbell to the change one dumbbell to another one. I didn't really rest. It was straight away. It was damn hard, but it's a very good way to get to the hypertrophy. Not to get to the hypertrophy, but to push yourself a little bit more. And yes, I did four times this back-to-back exercise, if you can call it like that. One thing that you need to really take into consideration when it comes to trying to integrate exercise routine into your busy schedule is the fact that you will rely a lot in planning. Planning is super essential and crucial. You need to have an idea of what you're going to be doing and when you're going to be doing and how you're going to be doing it. And the best way to have a knowledge how to do it in execution is by making the plan. By this I mean that you have a Google Calendar, book the days that you are available to go to the gym, and then after that in the same tab of the days that you're going to be going on the in your Google Calendar, you can add the exercise that you're going to be doing in the gym. If you just have the split that Monday upper body, Wednesday lower body, and Thursday full body, as for example, as the split that I did you can really write down there the exercise, the amount of exercise you're going to be doing, repetitions and sets, so you can have an idea what to do once you go to the gym. That leave you that takes away a lot of space of wandering around and wasting time trying to figure out what to do next. And when you have a plan, takes away that and make it more easier for you to just go there, pound pound pound, do whatever you have to do and then leave. That's a good thing that I really recommend you to do. It helped me a lot, saved me time at the gym, and stop wandering and just go do what I have to do and get out. If you're looking for something, how to do it and how to integrate. Planning is one great strategy that I always share. Now on the year I'm doing the finisher with the resistant bag, kickbacks, to get a little bit of extra pump to my glutes. And then after this, we're going to go to the next day. Basically, it's not the next day when I record this one. I went to the gym Monday, Tuesday, and then I went again on Saturday. So I'm recording this on a Saturday, and because it was so my schedule got so crazy that I couldn't go the rest of the week, so I decided to put it on Saturday. It's fine, at least I achieved my goal that was going to gym 3 times per week, and I achieved that. And this one I doing again targeting my lower body. For this morning I really didn't felt to do so much, so I just did like this compound movement, sumo squat. I'm trying to perfect my technique when it comes to sumo squat. I really don't like the exercise, but I am trying my best to perfect my technique and really improve it. It always takes me a little bit of time to figure it out and get into the mood of the exercise. So for this one, I'm doing 3 set, 10 reps. Okay, so now we're going to move to the leg curl to target some hamstrings. Today basically was glutes and hamstrings, and therefore we're going to be doing 15 repetitions, 3 sets, very moderate weight, control the movement, trying to feel those hamstring work. And yeah, to be honest with all of you, all this week, the time that I was recording this video, I was with my period, so my energy was not in place. But let's see if next week I'm able to really bring all the energy for it, because yes, it was a little bit challenging to go and gym. But I'm happy and proud of myself that at least I did something. And the finisher is the abduction machine. We're going to be doing 15 reps, and that will be 3 sets, and that will be basically all my workout. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that I give you some ideas how to incorporate exercise into your busy schedule. Subscribe if you want to see more of this video. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias y besos a todos.